Gold's breach reflects badly on the entire cryptocurrency market. While the sudden surge in the price of Bitcoin might have stolen the media spotlight over the past few days, a less popular spin-off from the core Bitcoin blockchain, known as Bitcoin Gold, has been on the receiving end of tons of criticism from both the press and crypto community, and not without a reason. Shortly after a data correction on November 25 made Bitcoin Gold the fifth biggest cryptocurrency by market share on CoinMarketCap, the company released a critical warning on its blog, revealing that its team discovered 2 suspicious files of unknown origin in its Windows Wallet installer. Please be aware that for approximately 4.5 days, a link on our download page and the file downloads on our GitHub release page have been serving 2 suspicious files of unknown origin, the warning read. ALL users should presume these files were created with malicious intent. Any user who verified the SH8256 checksum of the download against the checksum listed on our download pages is already aware the file is not authentic and should not have used the file. It continues. The file does not trigger antivirus, anti-malware software, but do not presume the file is safe. Although the company has since updated its website and GitHub accounts with the correct installer, all users who downloaded the installer, between November 21, 2017, 9:39 UTC, and November 25, 2017, 22:30 UTC, are advised to get the new version and thoroughly examine their systems for malware and viruses. NY cryptocurrencies with wallets accessible on that machine should be moved to new wallet addresses immediately, the Post warned. What makes this blunder particularly embarrassing is that the news came only days after Bitcoin Gold had been involved in another wallet hack, which collectively cost users a whopping $3.3 million in stolen funds. According to reports, the fraudulent Mibdglatap gained access to these funds by surreptitiously recording users' private keys. Still, despite all of this negative coverage, Bitcoin Gold has somehow managed not to lose much value. Its price has decreased by less than 7% over the course of the week, according to CoinMarketCap. The cryptocurrency community, however, is not taking the news lightly. Redditors have voiced their frustration that the slew of issues associated with Bitcoin Gold, and other recent hard forks from the original Bitcoin blockchain, could potentially have an unfavorable impact on the entire cryptocurrency market. For context, Bitcoin Gold is one of the 3 wayward forks to spur out of the core Bitcoin blockchain in the past few months. The other 2 are the Bitcoin Cash and the newly born Bitcoin Diamond. The fork was designed to change Bitcoin's consensus algorithm in order to allow users to mine the currency with graphic processing units, GPU, rather than ASICs. It also promised to allow miners to choose their own size of blocks, with a default of 1 MB, the same block size as the core blockchain. But unlike Bitcoin Cash, which gradually managed to shake off some of the bad rep it received upon launch back in August, the approach of the team behind Gold comes across as much less involved with the project and, more disturbingly, its community. Congrats on this. Seriously. @Trongerkvaradjedwuat.twitter.com/uxidekRN4y, Vitlukbuterin, @Vitlukbuterin, November 12, 2017 1. I consider BCH a legitimate contender for the Bitcoin name. I consider Bitcoin's failure to raise block sizes to keep fees reasonable to be a large, non-consensual, change to the original plan, morally tantamount to a hard fork. 2. Thamos's censorship. Vitlukbuterin, @Vitlukbuterin, November 14, 2017 I do regret writing the tweet in that way. My goal was to express happiness that the portion of the Bitcoin community that dislikes the mainline roadmap now has a clear alternative to crystallize around, and that it is doing so well. Vitlukbuterin, @Vitlukbuterin, November 16, 2017 While, contrary to Bitcoin Diamond whose team remains anonymous, Bitcoin Gold has revealed some of the names behind the initiative. The company has struggled to keep an appropriate level of transparency with the users. The Gold team includes founder Jack Liao, who also runs Hong Kong-based mining firm Lightning ASIC, as well as several other strategists, consultants, and UI designers, who were similarly listed by their names on the dedicated team page. But here is the concerning part: nobody knows who the lead developer behind the project is. We know little about this mysterious individual, who goes by the equally enigmatic alias H4x3 Rotab, other than the fact that he's based out of China, where Liao resides too. Although Bitcoin Gold claimed its GitHub repository contained the full code while the project